Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today I am going to show you how I wake up my Amaryllis. Now these particular Amaryllis have been in my basement for about 10 weeks now. I put them to sleep like early August. I think that is right for the timeline. I was supposed to wake them up last week, but things got away from me, didn't get a chance to wake them up. So I'm waking them up now. It's the second week of November. So I'm hoping to have at least one bloom by Thanksgiving. If I can get them all to bloom by Christmas, that will be wonderful. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna work. I'm not gonna talk through it, but if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below and I will be happy to answer them for you. But these guys look really good. I actually followed Garden Answers method that she did last year, where she just kept them in their pots and moved them down to the basement, and left the foliage on them, let that die back on its own, and then she just brought them out, you know, to her porch area to allow them to wake up. A few of these I'm going to actually put into different pots because I want to have a more holiday feel to the pot. So like this one, it doesn't really feel holiday to me, so this one I'll probably break down, and then this one here I'll break down. I don't know about this one. I'll have to see if I have a pot that I could stick this in, but I want to kind of have that, you know, Christmassy feel. So silver, green, reds, even like blues too. Like I'm into that, so I just want to change this color to make it feel more holiday, I guess. All right, you guys, so thank you so much for watching ahead of time, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, they're all decorated, all except one. I'll get to him later. They look amazing. So I foraged for a few items. So I got these from a redbud tree we have, not redbud, but a redwood tree we have outside. I dried these oranges myself. I got the cranberries from Aldi, foraged for this little, like, what is that, pine? No, this is from the redwood outside. Sweet gum, and then I've got faux snow, and what else? And then I've got the sea moss that I got 60 cents a bag from Home Depot. We've got pine cones. So you can make this as natural as you want. You can mix in faux pieces, you can mix in real pieces. If you are planting in a pot that does not have drainage like these two, I would urge you not to. If you know that you are prone to overwatering, do not do this. Do not do this. So now that they're planted, I have already watered them in. I will not water them again until I start to see growth. And then I'm gonna place them in bright indirect light. The light that's right here with this window is perfect. There's not any direct sun on them. They are just getting light from this room, from the brightness of this window, but they're not directly in any sun, which is important. All right, guys, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.